missed the beginning bit, I think. Oh my god. You didn't video it on my phone, Siobhan.
What?
You didn't video it on my phone. This is the only one we got. I think I missed a bit.
No, it's not a triple swing.
Oh, yes, he's done it.
You did it. See, I missed it because I'm bloody videoing it.
Right?
I'm missing it because I'm videoing it.
On DVD.
Yeah, but he was it on his phone.
Well, that was scary even watching it.
Well, I couldn't see it. I think it was you can moan about this now because I think I missed the beginning. I'm holding on to the phone for dear life in case I drop the thing. All you're going to be able to do is do my voice, I think, on this. Didn't know he was up there that quick. I wasn't even ready.
Kieran!
Video in there, can't I?
So screaming and everything.